Good morning, everyone. We are on Anna Maria Island this morning with a brand new home.
Good morning. Good morning. We're Holmes Beach actually, but it is Anna Maria Island area. The address on this one is 609 Dundee Lane. A little bit of Australian there for you. They are just finishing construction on this home, so this is new construction. Even though it's in an established neighborhood, this is Key Royale. Key Royale is a deed restricted community. It's an optional HOA fee of $60 a year. A year, did you hear that? Amazing. So this one is a 4-bed, 4.5 bath home with a private pool. It also has a boat lift with capacity up to 16,000 pounds. You can have a sailboat out there. Canal depth is about 4 to 5 feet. 3,000 square feet, well, 3,006 square feet, and it's just being built, like I said, this year. Price point on this one, $4,985,000. Totally worth it. You can rent these homes in here a month at a time. Rentals go between $5,000 and $10,000 a month, depending on the home. I think this would be on the higher end, maybe even a little more. So let's go take a look. Look at this beautiful covered porch. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you look up there, on the groove, we have travertine tile, which this travertine is a beautiful color. It's very coastal feeling all throughout. By the way, this listing is AMI Beaches. The broker is Greg Beyer, and Trevor Beyer is here today to give us some information. We may or may not talk to him in the video, but he has given us a lot of good information about the property in the area. So come on in, let's take a look around. Magnificent kitchen. Look at the appliances in here. You have a front door, you have a front door wine cooler, you have this beautiful countertops and just tons and tons of storage. Just beautifully laid out. Lots of natural light, hurricane impact sliders and doors, all the light fixtures, all the cabinetry, every single detail is absolutely stunning. On this end, there's a half bath over here. And this is also acting as a pool bath for you, so you can kind of come and go from the pool area. And this is your guest bath when people come over.
Hello.
And we're going to do the pool area last, but we'll do the inside of the house. Nice high ceilings up here. And then back here, we've got our first laundry room.
First, folks.
Yep, beautiful. Look at the floor. Look how pretty that tile is. I love that. Lots of storage in there, super functional. I mean, when you live here, you're living on vacation, but you still have to do the laundry. Or you can hire somebody to come do it. Again, the details, look at the ceiling and the fan. I mean, this is just paradise. So here we have dual closets, tons of space in each one. Both of them kind of look like this inside. And then the ensuite in here. Oh yeah. I would climb in there, but I would probably break me if I did that. Look at that. It's big enough to be a car wash. It's huge.
Beautiful tile work. Beautiful.
And of course, a little water closet over here. And the little details, plantation shutters. That's what you want in a home like this. Okay, we're going to keep moving because this is a big house and we got to get through it fast so I don't lose your attention. All right, we're going to do the garage last, just because it's, I don't know, the inside of the house is the fun part. So if you'll pause, we'll go upstairs and then we'll reconvene. All right, we're at the top of the first platform of stairs. We're going to come in here. We've got a bedroom and a bath. Even in here, it's not the primary suite, but the ceilings, every detail is done well.
And every bedroom of this 4-bedroom home has its own private ensuite.
Oh, private ensuite. In here,
Washer and dryer.
Bam! You've got your own washer dryer on this floor
level
as well, which is super convenient when you're doing laundry up here. So, got another bedroom around the corner, got another bathroom. Okay, upstairs one more time. Here you have this amazing loft area. I don't know if you can call this a loft, but it is a fantastic, media room. Look at the size of that TV. You're gonna feel like you're in the movie when you're watching it, if you're watching it, because honestly, this is where my attention would be out here. Check this out. Gorgeous balcony overlooking the canal. Fantastic views.
So here we have the 4th bedroom. This one has a smaller closet than the others, but beautiful finishes.
Nice dual vanities in here too in this one. Big walk-in shower. All right, you ready to go downstairs?
Let's do it.
Okay, we're going into the garage next. This is the storage closet in here. Not, super exciting, but it's nice to know you have good storage under there. You've got a 3-car garage here. This one is tandem, so you can park your girl's car back here if you want to. Got a couple water heaters. You also have electric car plug-in over here. The country club is only $2,500 a year to join for the social club. However, right now they're at capacity. And I think the golf membership is about $6,500 a year, and that's also optional. So just something to keep in mind if you live in this neighborhood. Okay, let's go check out the pool. Alright, here we go. More cabin tile. Check out this gorgeous Melinda. Look at that.
It's breathtaking. It truly is breathtaking. Everything is that could possibly be in this home is.
Say hi, Trevor.
He's living the dream right here, folks, and you can too.
All right. Look at the water features, though, on each end of the pool. Total elegance. You got the dock over there, and there's another dock over here, so there's 2. And the seawall was recently put in, so that'll be something you don't have to deal with for many, many years to come. So there you go. There's the tour. What do you think? You ready to buy it?
Give us a call.